This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 2, Understanding the Communicative Environment, DII. In this second part of the course, we delve into understanding the communicative environment, continuing our earlier discussion on this crucial topic. To provide context for the upcoming activities, we will go over an overview involving collaboration and joint effort. Let's recap the foundational concepts covered in the previous session: culture, context, various modes of communication like verbal, nonverbal, visual, musical, and technological, and the role of nonverbal cues like smiling in conveying meaning. Participants are encouraged to complete 2 communication skills self-assessment surveys, a PDF from the University of Louisville, and an online tool from Mind Tools to evaluate their current abilities beyond just English proficiency. Our discussion focuses on social transactions, highlighting the importance of speaking and listening over reading and writing, while briefly touching on texting for quick transactions. Effective listening is crucial before effective speaking, and we will explore the various dimensions of both, including the significant role of voice in conveying emotions that shape perceptions of honesty and sincerity. Nonverbal communication aspects like facial expressions, postures, and gestures play a vital role in social interactions, conveying intentional and unintentional messages influenced by cultural context. In conversations, we must analyze not just the spoken words, but also the paralinguistic cues like vocal modulation, tone, facial expressions, and gestures to fully understand the intended meaning. Culture and context are fundamental in shaping the interpretation of communication elements, as demonstrated by the different meanings attributed to gestures across cultures. Sounds and music greatly influence communication, with music evoking emotions that impact decision-making and reflecting cultural identity and personality perceptions on platforms like Facebook. Visuals have become dominant in the contemporary communicative environment, making a powerful emotional impact and playing a crucial role in persuasive communication, either enhancing or innovatively displaying information. However, vision can also create illusions and mislead, as our interpretation of visuals is shaped by cultural context and framing through specific frames of reference. The new media, including digital platforms like online newspapers, blogs, wikis, video games, and social media, facilitate dialogues, interactions, and quick dissemination of information, impacting communication in unprecedented ways. These new media concepts like social networks, multimedia e-learning, and hypermedia will be explored and experimented with in this class, focusing on their impact on communication and soft skills. In summary, understanding soft skills requires grasping the fundamental concepts of communication, where culture and context give meaning to independent elements like nonverbal cues, paralinguistic aspects, visuals, and the emerging landscape of new media. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.